Creative and fun learning. Design a custom T-shirt. On a sunny Friday morning in the bustling town of Artville, the school bell rang, announcing the start of a special day for 6 to 8-year-olds, creative and fun learning. In Mrs. Doodle's classroom, the children sat at tables adorned with blank T-shirts and an array of vibrant paints, glitters and markers. At one table sat Maddie, her curly hair bobbing as she dipped her paintbrush into a jar of bright pink paint. She carefully applied it to the shirt, creating swirling designs that filled her with joy. "I'm going to make this the best T-shirt ever," she whispered excitedly. Meanwhile, across the room, a group of friends huddled around a table, exchanging ideas and inspiring one another. "What about a rainbow unicorn?" suggested Sammy, his freckles dancing in the sunlight. The others nodded enthusiastically. Over at another table, Lily carefully added glitter to her design, creating shimmering stars that seemed to dance across the fabric. She giggled as she watched them twinkle in the light. By lunchtime, every table was filled with children who had transformed their plain white T-shirts into masterpieces. They looked at their creations with pride, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. After lunch, the children gathered together in the school courtyard. They eagerly displayed their finished T-shirts to one another, each sharing stories about their designs and what inspired them. As the sun began to set, the children made their way to the school auditorium for a fashion show. They walked down the makeshift runway, their faces beaming with pride as they showed off their creative designs. The audience cheered and clapped as each child finished their runway walk. The teachers smiled proudly, watching the creativity and artistic expression that had blossomed in their students during this special day. Once the fashion show was over, the children gathered together for a group photo, each one proudly wearing their custom T-shirt design. They had learned not only about art and creativity, but also about self-expression and friendship. As they left the school, the children couldn't wait to go home and show their families their finished T-shirts. They had made something truly special, a memory that would last a lifetime. The following Monday, the children returned to school, eager to share their T-shirts and stories with one another. They couldn't wait for the next creative and fun learning adventure, knowing that whatever it was, they would create something amazing together. As the days passed, the memories of that special Friday stayed with the children. They laughed and smiled when they remembered painting their T-shirts, sharing ideas, and walking down the runway in front of an adoring audience. The day had been filled with creativity, artistic expression, and fun hands-on activities, a true testament to the power of creative and fun learning.